Hello, this is librarian Jennifer Bone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access the Children's Literature Topic Guide. First, go to swic.edu, and we're going to go to the library homepage. Hover over Student Services, select Library from the drop-down list. Scroll down on the page and you'll see a section that's called Topic Guides. The Children's Literature Topic Guide will be located here very soon. This is what it's going to look like. When you find the topic guide, you'll see that we have a picture from Maurice Sendak's book, Where the Wild Things Are, and you'll see that children's literature is right up here, and there's going to be informational topics on why reading is important, how to browse the children's collection. There'll be instructional videos on how to request books. You'll see also on the front page all of your friendly librarians. This is me. I'm Jennifer Bone. I love children's literature and education topics because my bachelor's degree is in early childhood education, so it's very near and dear to my heart. So whenever you need help, don't hesitate to come to the library and ask to talk to Jennifer. I'm on the Belleville campus. This is my partner in crime at Belleville. Her name is Samantha Rogers. She's super friendly and super helpful. So if I'm not there or you just want to ask Sam for help, she's happy to help you out. And this is Mark Light. He's located at the Granite City campus. So you can always contact any one of us to get assistance doing any library research. Now this is the front page. It's going to talk to you about browsing the children's collection at the library. So just as a good reference for you. But also on the left-hand side, we're going to kind of grow a lot of these boxes here. This topic guide is incomplete and we're still going to be building it. Right now you can click on genres. You see that there's a drop-down box, or you can click on the word genres and then you see all these different genres. There's a page for online children's books, graphic novels, associations. And when you click on these, you will see that you're going to come up with a page on that particular topic. A lot of times these pictures might have a link behind them that you can click on. And then down here for this one about diversity, you'll see that we're looking at groups, and it's going to give you a lot of book recommendations, and all of the books that you find on this topic guide live here in the library. So you can come in here and know that all of these books are located here. So if you ever wanted to request any of these books, you can actually hover over the eye and get an idea of what the book is about. But if you wanted to request them, just click on the title. It'll take you to the library catalog. And to order the book from here, you'll see that it's located at 2 campuses. You can just sign in, select our school. It's going to prompt you for your eStorm username and password. Although this one looks like it's giving me a loop. Or, it probably remembers I was in here requesting books earlier. So on the right hand side, you can see that it already has my name. So I can just go ahead and click on the request button. It defaults to our school. I can pick my campus, and then I can hit send request. So it's just that easy to request things from the library catalog, from the topic guides, and get them sent here. So know that that's one way that you can do that. You can check out the other pages. Remember, we're still building them, so they're not all done. Some of them have these galleries where you can just pick your books directly from here. This particular page talks about fractured fairy tales, and we tried to put all of the things about the 3 little pigs together. Here's a lot of the books of Cinderella together, the traditional and the ones that are fractured, or they're just offshoots of that. So all of these are here for you to use. Each page is set up a little bit differently depending on what we feel the needs are for each of these. So it's just a fun place to go and kind of explore some books and kind of see what we have at SWIC Library. You can click on the other links too. There's some online children's collections. I have a list of associations I put together, but this will be getting a lot of polish and look a little different as the weeks go on. So don't hesitate to come here and check it out. If you have any questions or need help with any research, please don't hesitate to stop by the library. Remember, on our topic guide, you can contact me or any of our other librarians right here.